Alright, y'all, let's make a yard sign using our Cricut machine. All the materials that you need, I do have a previous video that I stated everything that you need. I do use the vinyl sticker paper from Asub for my photo when I put it on my yard sign. I use my regular inkjet HP printer to print on my sticker paper. And you're gonna need a yard sign. The yard sign, you can get it from Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, any of those places. I got mine personally from Lowe's. So here I am. I'm just taking the plastic off the yard sign. I do get the yard signs with the stakes so that way I can put it in the yard. Sorry about the angle of the video. When I made the video, I made it for my YouTube channel and I forgot about TikTok. So here I am. I printed off my picture using my Asub sticker paper. Y'all, look at how glossy it is. And I really like this paper because when you touch it after it prints, it doesn't smear or anything like that. So I just cut around my edges, and now I'm peeling off the backing. So when I lay it down, I don't just peel the whole backing off because it'll stick, and it sticks really well. So I peel off the top part, and then I use my scraping tool after I lay it on the yard sign. Use my scraping tool to pull the rest of the backing off and make sure I don't have any bubbles in the image, as you can see right here. So you will need a scraping tool. And look, you see how I'm running my hand all over it? I had just taken it out of the printer. The ink does not smear. So I did a border around. Now this is where I messed up. I did a border around the photo, but you're gonna use the self-adhesive laminate sheets to put over the image, so that way when it rains, it doesn't smear, it doesn't mess up the image. I put the border around first, and so you'll see later on that I end up putting the laminate sheet on afterwards. But put your laminate sheet on first, and then put your border around if you're gonna have a border. So then after that, like I said, I use my Cricut machine to cut out all my letters. I use 651 vinyl. I can't remember if I use Starcraft or Oracle 651. Anyway, it's the adhesive vinyl that you use for outside vinyl. You can use whichever brand that you want to use. And the only thing I'm doing now is I just weeded the vinyl, and I'm using transfer tape to transfer the vinyl to the yard sign. This vinyl, this transfer tape here, I be struggling with this brand. I ain't gonna say the name of the brand of this transfer tape, but I be struggling with this brand of transfer tape. But it is what it is. And I was struggling with my Cricut machine. So you're gonna see at the end of the video when you actually see the yard sign that, like right here, when I'm putting the offset down first, my offset is larger than, like, too big compared to the actual words, because I was having a hard time with my Cricut machine. My Cricut machine kept messing up. I don't know. It was a headache. But anyway, all I'm doing is I'm using transfer tape. And if you didn't know, with your transfer tape, you don't have to throw it away if you use it one time. You can keep reusing it as long as it's reusable. You can keep reusing it. And I'm just putting the transfer tape on top of the letters and putting the letters on the yard sign. Sorry. Putting the letters on the yard sign. So right here, this is my son's name. I did an offset. I ended up cutting the name in half so that way I can make sure that it was lined up right, but the offset still was too big. But anyway, that was my mistake. That's not Cricut machine. I mean, that's not Cricut. But anyway, so just make sure whenever you line everything up, you just line it up well. Take your time. You'll see if you watch the actual long form video that I have on my YouTube channel, Crafting with April Academy, you'll see it. Y'all, look, I had threw that scraper tool, and I was like, finally done, because I was complaining the whole time I was making this yard. I was complaining the whole time. Then I realized, I was like, oh, I ain't put the school name on there, which I did offset for the school name too big as well. So these are just my errors. But you can do, like I said, you can do this. You can use your Cricut, whether you have a Cricut machine or a Silhouette, whatever kind of cutting machine you have. You need adhesive vinyl, the outdoor vinyl, so that way when you put it outside, it'll sustain in the weather. If it rain outside, then it'll be fine. Just make sure when you put the photo, if you use the Asub the Asub sticker paper, make sure you put transfer tape on top of it. Not transfer tape, Lord, I'm just saying the wrong thing. Make sure you use the self-adhesive laminate sheet on top. So anyway, so now I'm just putting the offset down on the board, and then we're gonna put the school name on top of that. I done threw that scraper tool out some of the time because I was so ready to be done, y'all. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section. I am April, your craft tutor. I teach Cricut and sublimation for beginners. Y'all make sure y'all click that orange cart and get that Asub sticker paper. That is some good sticker paper, y'all. When I tell you this, this laminate sheet, I had to take it off. You don't see it in this video, but I had to take it off because it was Cricut. When I tell you, you would think that when I took it off on top of that sticker paper that it was gonna pull the color off that sticker paper. No ma'am, Pam, it did not. It did not. That's some good, durable sticker paper. I'm telling you. So click that card, get that sticker paper. But this is how the yard sign look. You can see where I messed up at. Don't make the same mistakes as me, and I didn't make my picture big enough. So yeah, but anyway, that's the result. That's my little photographer right there.